What's up? It's your girl, Eyebrow. I'm back with another freaking video. Y'all, today, I'm going to be doing a little quick one, too. Eyebrow tutorial for y'all. So, if you ain't in the fucking building, what the fuck you doing? Get your ass in here. Alright, y'all. So, I'm just finished hop straight into this video. So, what y'all been doing? What y'all got going on, honey? I know y'all ready for Thanksgiving because, baby, October and came and flew. It's probably because I really recording towards the end. And that's sad because I was on it in the beginning. But now it's towards the end. Your girl had ended up slacking up and it's crazy. So let me get this. I got the pencil for you because I used to use the brow gel, but I stopped using it. It's not bad or nothing, but that pencil get the job done for real. All right, y'all. So let me go ahead and show y'all. I don't think I ever did like a full eyebrow tutorial for y'all. I don't even think I really did it when I was doing my makeup, but y'all finna get it. Y'all finna get it. I ain't gonna lie. When I used to do my eyebrows in the and when I used to do them, and I used to go to the store or something, people like, I thought you got those micro braided on. I'm like, no, but thank you, girl. Thank you. And I used to be like, they trying to be funny or they for real. But your girl, y'all boy. No lie, y'all. Even dudes used to be like, you do your own eyebrows? I used to be like, yeah. I'd be like, I ain't lie, your shit nice. Your shit nice. I ain't gonna lie, they used to book your girl up. Y'all, it's okay to mess them up sometimes. Just a little bit. Because, you know, you're going to go in with your other products and get that bad boy looking real good, real nice, real far, you know. So, yeah. And I be hating it because your girl really don't have no freaking eyebrows. So, I literally always got to draw mine. Hope they grow one day. Probably not, but whatever. It doesn't freaking matter. And I'm not doing my makeup, y'all. I'm just doing my my eyebrows. I said lashes. Trying to tell me something. This one, I'm gonna have to fix this one. Cause comment in the comment section some strong freaking glue that hold individual lashes, because I don't know. It might be the steam when I be getting in the shower, in the tub or something. I don't know. It just, cause they be good and all fine till your girl get in the tub. I got a bath, but you want me to be dirty? But anyway, we finna get going. Yeah. Y'all see that? I go in lightly. Unless I'm doing my makeup, then I'll like brush it down and all that other stuff. because I'm finna put makeup on top of it, so whatever. Sometimes I go in from the front and go back, but sometimes I start from like that middle where it curve, and then, you know. Y'all, sometimes it'll get on top and I have to go back in. But right now, they fine. So if you don't love me, somebody gonna love me. You don't. Alright, y'all. I should have went got a freaking makeup wipe, but whatever. Right. Big with a turtle. Alright, let me clean this stuff up off white. Let me go get a makeup wipe and I'll be right back. You don't love me, somebody go love me. You don't love me, somebody go love you. Got my nose so long. Alright. I just got the cleaning. I didn't even tell y'all what I was doing. Anyway, so I wetted this Q-tip. Well, I went wet. I said wetted. I went wet this Q-tip. If you just want to do your eyebrows or something like that, you can go ahead and get you some water. Put it on the end of here. And wipe that thing, that excess off. And you good. You good, baby. You got her. You got her. So, all right. Go ahead and wipe this one. I hope y'all can't hear that. Well, my child is in there listening to, well, watching. She watching Blippi. Y'all, she love her some Blippi. All right, y'all. So I'm done. This is your girl eyebrows. Okay. Want the perfect brows? Follow your girl. So don't forget to comment down low, like, subscribe, make sure the notification bell ding. And that's the end of this freaking video. And don't forget to comment down low in the comment section some pink hearts to show awareness. Is it awareness? No, to show support to the survivors of breast cancer awareness and those who have passed away. And that's the end of this video. Deuces.